Go from right to left. Well, because it's signed and dated on the lower right. Evening of eye surgery day. My initials June 25th, 2008. I don't even remember what eye surgery that was. I've had several since the 1990s. When I was in my 40s, including cataract. Okay. This looks like a bird. There's a double image here drawn because we have it's like a bird, 2 wings, tail, feathers, an eye in the center, and an eye over behind where the head of the bird is, little head. It kind of looks like it's has a smile. This one looks kind of sci-fi like. Okay, so left eye here, right eye there, left eye there, left eye there, left eye there. My eyes must have been really red in the whites of the eye after the surgery. We have a parrot here. And if you're a fan of reading like light value, low contrast type, it's non-black, non-bold, good luck. There's so much of it, it's unbelievable. Let's see what we got here. Because you'll end up with cataract surgeries for sure. Yeah, this is all the heading words. Not sure which supermarket this is. It might be Safeway or QFC. But the bold, that's okay. Could be a bit blacker, but the non-bold type is absolutely awful. And even if you can read it, it's a strain in your vision. And it almost guarantees, oh yeah, that's QFC, that you'll end up having eye surgeries. Take a look at a couple of others. Oh, well, that's enough for right now. All right. Take it from someone who's worn glasses since I was 10 or 11. Ooh.